Hello, welcome to Crowd One. My name is Lesedi and I will be taking you through this presentation. For our French-speaking viewers, pour nos téléspectateurs français, bienvenue à cette présentation. Je m'appelle Lesedi. For our German-speaking viewers, für unsere deutschen Zuschauer, herzlich willkommen zu dieser Präsentation. Mein Name ist Lesedi. So, without any further ado, I will now begin to share the presentation with you, and we will be underway. Once again, a warm welcome to you. So what is Crowd One all about? What market are we tapping into? We are tapping into two major markets, the gambling and gaming markets. The gambling market is expected to grow to $565 billion by 2022. So there is great wealth potential there for us, and that is what you have access to as a Crowd One member. The mobile gaming market in 2019 was worth $151 billion and is expected to reach $165 billion by the end of this year. So it's growing, it's ballooning, and there's great wealth potential for you as a Crowd One member. Here at Crowd One, you earn money directly to your mobile phone. We have a saying that goes, an app that pays is an app that stays. And that really is the case with the Crowd One app. In fact, you can download our app on the App Store if you are using iOS, or on the Play Store if you are using an Android device. We are a 100% mobile business, meaning you don't need a fancy office with tables and a boardroom. No, all you need is a smartphone and you are good to go. Pictured on your screens right now, we have the CEO of the company. That's Mr. Johann Stahl von Holstein. He has a phenomenal track record in business. He is a Harvard University graduate. He is an entrepreneur, a venture capitalist, an author, an investor. He's been involved in the founding and running of companies in the digital and technology sector. He has co-founded .com companies such as Icon Media Lab and Let's Buy It during the early .com boom in Sweden. Crowd One is a global company. We have offices all over the world. Our main head office is in Madrid, Spain, but we also have regional offices all around the world. We have one in Manila, one in Stockholm, another in Gothenburg, one in Johannesburg, and we are looking forward to the launches of the Lagos, Bogota, and Rio de Janeiro offices. When you become a Crowd One member, you purchase one of our education packages. These offer education on how to improve your financial well-being and how to increase your wealth overall. Our packages range in size from white to titanium. The white package is worth 99 euros. The black package is worth 299 euros. The gold package is worth 799 euros. And the titanium package is worth 2,499 euros. If you look closely, you will see that you receive a certain value of owner rights with your package. With the white package, you will receive 100 euros worth of owner rights. The black package will get you 300 euros worth of owner rights. The gold package will earn you 1,000 euros worth of owner rights. And the titanium package will earn you 3,500 euros worth of owner rights. So these are packages to go for, and it is up to you where you would like to begin. We encourage our members to aim for titanium, but if you are just starting out and you can only budget for the white package, that's perfectly fine. It's a good place to start, and you will grow to the bigger packages as you continue. We are partnered with two main companies that give us access to the global markets, namely Afilgo and Mixta. From Afilgo, we receive the next generation affiliate networking. So starting with online gambling, which is one of the world's most popular forms of entertainment, you get to enjoy yourself with this form of entertainment, refer other people to it, and also earn money from that. So it's a win-win situation. Our second partner company is Mixta, as I mentioned. Mixta is currently in its pre-launch stage. It offers the next revolution in mobile gaming, social gaming, and esports. Crowd One gives all members worldwide the opportunity to build a global organization in one of the world's fastest growing industries, and that is mobile gaming. Here at Crowd One, we are proud to announce that we have the best bonus system in the world. In fact, our founder, Sir Jonas Erik Wagner, says it a lot. He says with pride that we have the best bonus system of all companies and no one disagrees with him. We have different bonuses. The first is the affiliate bonus, which gives you a certain range of earnings depending on the package with which you have signed up. So with the white package, you are receiving a binary bonus earning from 18 up to 36 euros. With the black package, you are receiving an earning range of 56 up to 108 euros. With the gold package, you are receiving an earning range of 144 up to 288 euros. And with the titanium package, you are receiving an earning range of 450 up to 900 euros. What it looks like, for example, is what we have over here. We have a 1-to-1 ratio over here. You have two sides, a left and a right. So in this case, on the top level, we have two members where each member has a white package worth 90 points each. 90 plus 90 is 180. 10% of 180 is 18. And 18 euros will be your payout. So just remember that 10% of what you receive as total points is your earnings in euros. Over here, we have a 1-to-2 ratio, where one person on the one side is linked to two people on the other side. Over here, we have a total of 270 points. 10% of 270 is 27 euros, and that will be your earning. We also have the matching bonus, where you receive 10% from each level that you are on. So to reach the first level with the matching bonus, you need to personally sponsor 4 individuals. That will get you 10% from level 1. Add 4 more individuals who are personally sponsored, and that will take you to level 2, where you will receive 10% from both level 1 and level 2. This continues every time you add 4 more people until you reach 20 people, where the matching bonus is maxed out. We also offer long-term residual income. If you look at the table in the center of your screen, you can see different levels ranging from 1 to 18. In each level, there are 100,000 euros available. If you look at the table on your right, you will see different smiley faces, yellow smiley faces, which represent different pools. In the lower levels, there are more pools, and in the higher levels, there are less pools. The incentive is to go for the higher levels, because the less the pools, the more money is available per pool, because the money is divided among each pool in each level. We also have the fear of loss bonus, where you need to sign up a minimum of 4 members in the first 14 days from the day you become a member. And if you sign up 4 members with the titanium package, you receive 3,000 euros. If you sign up 4 members with the gold package, you receive 1,000 euros. Signing up 4 members with the black package will get you 375 euros, and signing up 4 members with the white package will earn you 125 euros. We also have the streamline bonus, which is the first bonus ever where you'll be able to earn money just by joining. You also get to keep track of how many people are signing up after you. So, how do you pay for your Crowd1 membership? There are many methods of payment. You just need to find the one most comfortable for you. The first is the gift code method, which is almost like a voucher. You receive the gift code from the person who is signing you up or sponsoring you, and you will exchange the gift code for the monetary value equivalent to the education package that you are purchasing. Once you activate your gift code, you are a fully active Crowd1 member. Soon, you'll be able to pay with your credit card, your Visa, or your MasterCard. You can also pay with Bitcoin or Ethereum. On top of that, you can also use your bank transfer, your secure wire bank transfer to get your payment done. So, that is what Crowd1 is all about. That is how you join. That is how you become a member. Join today, and remember, impossible is nothing. Thank you.